Hello, for this workshop I have come up with a set of 5 skills that will help us become better teachers, but first I would like to say the definitions of 21st century skills and being digitally literate. 21st century skills are skills that every teacher should be familiar with in order to be a successful teacher, and being digitally literate is having the ability to use all the technology in the 21st century correctly to give the children the best learning experience. The first one is communication. With communication, teachers can have interactive activities among the students. That way, they are communicating with each other along with getting to know one another. The second one is collaboration. A way to make students collaborate is by doing group projects. This way, they have to work together and create something with someone else's help. The third one is critical thinking. By being an active listener, you are demonstrating critical thinking because you are allowing the other person to think aloud and vice versa. You're coming up with an idea together by listening what each other has to say. The fourth one is student creativity. Through student creativity, you will be getting to see new ideas because everyone has different and creative ideas. The fifth one is understanding technology. Learning all the tools is essential to all programs such as blogs and Google Docs, so children have a way of being creative, communicating, and succeeding in their work. It is also important for teachers so that they can teach the children correctly. In conclusion, these 5 topics are the most important, and they all deal with 21st century skills, being digitally literate, and all relate to the standards for teachers. Thank you for listening.